In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Upwork job. As you can see right here, this is my freelancer account, and those are kind of the jobs that are available. As I can see, this is a job that I'm interested in a little bit. I'm going to first of all click on it. It's going to open a new tab right here. You can see that here is the title of the job, here's the description, here's the location that the guy is looking for, the time that this job has been posted. All of the information are going to be right here. So basically, you are going to be able to submit a proposal. So for those who are new to Upwork, let me explain a little bit. A proposal is kind of you proposing to other ideas, and you need as well something called connects to submit a proposal. And as you can see right here, connects are virtual tokens for submitting job proposal. Each job requires up to 6 connect. Depending on the size and the project type, you get 20 free connects to get started. You can buy additional ones for 15 cents. Let's close this tab right here. And this proposal just requires us 2, not even 6. You can see right here that this is all of the information, is just to double sure. And we could actually work by either milestones, which is each point. Say, for example, I produce the first prototype, the second prototype, I render it. Those are milestones. Or by projects, get your entire payment at the end when all the projects has been delivered. So those are the 2 methods right here. Once you choose a method, you pay the price. You know that Upwork service fee is going to be a certain price, and then you are going to tell them how long you believe you can do this project. You're going to add a cover letter, attachments if you have images, anything like that. You can also boost your proposal by having more connects. And yeah, that's simply it. Make sure that you don't use a lot of connects, as that's not gonna be anything useful, to be honest, and you're just gonna end up spending your connects and not being able to bid on other projects. I hope you find it useful, and goodbye.